This property is a 2-bedroom, 2 full baths condominium. This property is listed for $475,000. Interior features of this property include an open floor plan, a separate laundry room, a formal living room, crown molding, an elevator, and natural gas heat. On the outside, this property features a multi-floor unit, a balcony, and a brick exterior finish. Community amenities include a fitness center and an elevator. The approximate square footage is 1,650 square feet.